So we have a document here of a bunch of students and their grades in different subject matters. What I'm going to show how to do is how to remove a common word from an entire document. So say instead of sum of math grades, I only want to see math grades, and I want it to be like that for all the subjects. Well, all I have to do is go on the home section, and on the top right, I'm going to click Find and Select. Now that I'm on the drop down, I'm going to press Replace. I'm then going to type in the word or group of words that I want to remove in the Find What bar. As mentioned, I'm going to write down sum of. Then you're going to decide if you want to take those words out within only this sheet or the entire document. On the Replace With bar, I'm going to write nothing. Click Replace All, and that will effectively remove the word or group of words from the sheet, and that's how you do it. Don't forget to subscribe for more and leave a comment for any tutorials you'd like me to do next.